In primetime news this evening, it's just a social experiment. YouTuber facing charges for impersonating health inspector responds to backlash. PAAC blasts NSWMA as garbage programs lag behind expectations. And later, Agriculture Ministry responds to coffee industry crisis. The final of a TVJ in Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about Proven Properties, which has secured a multi-US dollar loan with a major commercial bank. What does that mean for the company? That and more in the business day.
So it's a multi-million US dollar loan. And Jermaine Brown has what's coming up in sports as football, I imagine.
And more, Archie, and more. That's what I'll tell you. Well, the nominees are out for the 2022 National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards. Maybe one or two surprise omissions, just maybe. And the Reggae Girls are in action at the National Stadium. The Gold Cup qualifiers continue.
Did he say maybe? Is it or is it not? Maybe, I don't know. So, all right. So we have football tonight. What is the weather going to be like, Romain?
Nothing significant is expected to affect the match tonight. However, as we move into the weekend, we're looking for drier conditions. We're also looking for stronger winds, so we could be having some small craft warnings take effect for both the north and the south coast, and that's inshore areas. I'll have more in the weather report and forecast.
I think where the match is concerned, this is one case where no news is good news. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's garbage collection like in your community?
They should really have a lot of comments, and you can share yours online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.